Well, here's a good question. They ask you to simplify this expression. And it's not simplified because you have a fraction over a fraction. And that's known as a complex rational expression. And so you need to simplify it, hopefully, so you could just get something over something. Um, anyway, so this would be okay because it would just be a simple fraction. This one, because there's a fraction over a fraction, it's a complex, you need to simplify it. All right, so whoops, in order to simplify, what you do is you take each numerator and denominator and multiply by a lowest common denominator. So I've got the number 6 and 7 right there and there as denominators. I could put this one over a denominator. I could put a 1 there, and this one I could put a 1 there. But it's between 6 and 7 I need to find the lowest common denominator. And the lowest common denominator, for those two would be 42. So I need to multiply both the top and the bottom by 42. You could really say 42 over 1, I guess, for both of those. Now let's treat this as if it's one thing, and here is one thing. So I'm going to need to multiply the 42 by that, and the 42 by that, and then the 42 by that number, and the 42 by that one. All right, so the first one, I should have done that color-coded, maybe. Let's do the first one black. So let's multiply this one by that one. So 42 times 4, I think, is 168. Plus, and then let's do this one. So 42 times 5, 6. You can do that on your calculator if you want, or it'd be 42 times 5 over 6. So you could go 42 times 5 and divide it by 6, or you can go 6 goes into 42 7 times, and 7 times 5 is 35. So this would just be 35. And that's all I have on the top. So that's the whole numerator now. There's no fractions in it. It's just 168 plus 35. Now in the next one, same kind of thing. Let's do this one in blue. So 42 times 5 would be 210, I think. Minus, and then this one, 42 times 6 sevenths. 42 times 6 over 7. So 7 goes into 42 6 times. 6 times 6, 36. So this would be 36. All right, so then the last thing you want to do is just add the top thing. That would be what? 13, 1, 203. Is that right? 168 plus, yeah, that's right, over 210 minus 36, 80, 180, 175, I don't know, 210 minus 36. So it'd be a 4, 20 minus 3, yeah, 174. 174. And then you try and simplify that if you can. Like, I don't know, 3 won't go into both of them. 7, I don't think 7 will go either. I think your answer is just 203 over 174. I don't think there's any numbers other than if they're big ones that'll simplify that. All right, hopefully that helps you out simplify that complex expression.